Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Vitalik Buterin said why we should all pay attention to Shiba Inu. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. Vitalik Buterin needs no introduction. Recently, his donations for the COVID relief works in India gained public as well as market attention. However, before getting into the main topic of the video, let us quickly talk about Vitalik Buterin, the man of Ethereum. Buterin is the co-founder of Ethereum cryptocurrency. The 27-year-old Russian-Canadian has been in the crypto industry for the past 10-odd years. A billionaire who has featured on the cover page of reputed magazines, he donated his billions of dollars in crypto to the India COVID Crypto Relief Fund, run by Indian crypto entrepreneur Sandeep Nailwal. So what is the hype around Shiba Inu coins? The Shiba Inu token was created as a meme coin and had the mascot of a Shiba pup, a Japanese dog. Shiba Inu was launched as a competitor to Dogecoin, another meme coin that also has the mascot of a dog. Dogecoin has been in the news consistently, with Elon Musk followed by other celebrities tweeting about it, which caused its valuation to jump to $50 billion. Currently, Shiba Inu is valued at $7.8 billion from a high of over $40 billion. After Buterin made the donation for India, the value of Shiba Inu coins saw a price fall by around 40%. The price fall was noticed after Buterin gave away 10% of the total coins globally available in the market. The founder of Shiba Inu, Ryoshi, had a tacit understanding with Buterin to never sell these coins, thus maintaining an artificial scarcity. It was a gift that Buterin re-gifted to the India COVID Fund, leading to this price fall. Created in August 2020 by someone named Ryoshi, Shiba Inu is a joke coin or meme coin, which was launched as a rival to Dogecoin, which is also a crypto coin. The currency has been named after the Japanese dog breed Shiba Inu. The mascot of Shiba Inu, which is based on the Shiba pup, was claimed to be the Dogecoin killer when it was launched. Let us discuss the differences and similarities between Shiba Inu and Dogecoin to get a better understanding of the same. While Dogecoin was developed using the same technology as Bitcoin, Shiba Inu is powered by Ethereum. Shiba Inu are ERC20 tokens that are fungible, while non-fungible tokens use the ERC721 token standard of the Ethereum platform. Among the significant differences that Shiba Inu tokens have is that one can hold billions and trillions. So now the question comes down to how to trade in Shiba Inu tokens. Shiba Inu tokens can be traded in India through WazirX, which wrongly listed it as RS3 on Thursday, while the firm claimed a misconfiguration caused the listing at higher value. Following this, the price crashed to 0.0015 levels. Apart from this, Shiba Inu can be traded through Uniswap and the web version of CoinDCX, which allows buying and selling cryptocurrencies for ETH and other Ethereum-based tokens. They can only be traded in USD/BUSD. We discuss these details to throw light into the events that happened on 12th May. On 12th May, Buterin donated Shiba Inu coins worth $1 billion to support India's fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. This is the second donation by Buterin, with the earlier donation standing at around $600,000 via Ethereum cryptocurrency. He joins other cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors, such as Balaji Srinivasan, who recently donated $1.5 million in total. By doing this, he has burned the coins that were given to him without his consent. But what does it mean to burn them, you ask? Looking at Buterin's decision to burn 90% of the Shiba Inu holdings, an investor or a trader needs to understand that burning a crypto token means sending it to a public address that's inaccessible, where it will then lay unused. Till now, over 40% of Shiba Inu tokens have now been burned, which amounts to around 410 trillion coins, worth around $7 billion. The donation by Buterin, the highest amount so far by any individual or organization in India, looks huge, as $1 billion in Indian currency amounts to approximately over 73 billion RS. A report by financial news website Business Insider stated that over 40% of the coin's total circulation has thereby been taken out of the market. Meanwhile, Buterin had said that burning and donating the coins was the only option. Earlier, Buterin was given 50% of all Shiba Inu tokens by the coin's creator. Regarding his decision to burn the digital currency, Buterin had cited that this was the only method through which he could avoid his transactions in Shiba Inu being interpreted as actions. Indian tech entrepreneur Sandeep Nailwal has set up the India COVID Relief Fund and is also the co-founder and COO of Polygon. With the fund sitting on this massive pile of coins donated by Buterin in its wallet, it has to sell to ensure prices do not fall further strategically. According to Mint's report, the fund is based out of the United Arab Emirates, and the 50 trillion Shiba Inu tokens have to be first converted into fiat currency. After that, the entity converts the currency through various exchanges and brings it to a bank account outside the country. Once the funds are in the bank, it is then transferred to Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, also known as FCRA, compliant non-governmental organizations or NGOs in India, where it will be dispersed as deemed fit. Unsurprisingly, India will not get the billions of dollars as expected. Experts scoffed at that number, saying it won't go beyond $100 million. However, Sandeep Nailwal, in an interview with Money Control, said India would ultimately get a mere $50 million. For the uninitiated, cryptos work on a different level altogether. Shiba Inu is a meme or joke coin. So when Sandeep eventually starts to sell, it would depend on the liquidity and at what price any cryptocurrency exchange would want to buy it. Unlike Buterin's Ethereum, which has far more stable prices and is highly in demand, joke coins, after all, come and go. Among other things, Buterin had requested coin creators not to send large amounts of tokens to individuals or charities without their consent. Last week was a wild ride in the cryptocurrency world, which is saying something. Buterin's gift and Shiba Inu's ups and downs drowned out activity in the rest of the market. Tesla Inc. chief Elon Musk roiled prices of Bitcoin after announcing that the company would no longer accept it as a form of payment for cars due to environmental concerns. That was just a few days after the billionaire's app. Because Shiba Inu, a meta play on the ridiculousness of Dogecoin, has been incredibly volatile lately, the value of Buterin's donation has fluctuated wildly. At one point, it was worth about $2 billion, then fell to around $800 million. Buterin said in an interview that he's taxed as a citizen of Singapore, whose rules are significantly cleaner than in the US or Canada. Buterin also addressed the ongoing debate about cryptocurrency's environmental toll by reiterating that he sees Ethereum's shift to a proof-of-stake model as a way to shrink cryptocurrency's enormous carbon footprint. Proof-of-stake is a solution to the environmental issues of Bitcoin, which need far less resources to maintain, Buterin said at the Start Me Up HK Virtual Festival in Hong Kong. POS is an alternative to the proof-of-work model that Ethereum currently uses to generate new Ether, the currency of its network. The Ethereum Foundation announced its move to a POS system in April and expects the switch to be completed by the end of 2021. Buterin has long advocated for Ethereum to run on the POS model. His comments about the switch come as the cryptocurrency community re-examines the environmental cost of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency mining. Earlier this month, the issue received renewed focus when Tesla's CEO Elon Musk tweeted that his company would stop accepting Bitcoin as payment, citing concerns over the rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining. Musk's tweet led to a free fall in the price of Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum and Dogecoin. Then, last week, China's State Council stated it would take a strict stance towards illegal securities activities, including businesses operating cryptocurrency mining and trading services, citing financial system risks. But a government source told Bloomberg that authorities acted after determining that mining farms were behind a spike in coal use in certain parts of China, undermining Beijing's lofty environmental goals. Proof of stake operates under a fundamentally different principle than proof of work, Buterin said. A POW model, which both Bitcoin and Ethereum currently use, employs a consensus mechanism that requires massive amounts of computational power. To verify electronic transactions on the blockchain, miners compete to solve complex math problems using computer components, such as Bitcoin mining's use of application-specific integrated circuits and Ethereum's use of graphics cards. So, with the Shiba Inu donation and discussions about the proof-of-stake model, there are some serious changes expected to happen in the market. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope the session was informative. Do let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas.